Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Lawrence Michael, owner and operator of RMR, that's Remediation, Maintenance, and Restoration. Just doing another first day video showing a mold remediation project. So as you can see behind us, we have our containment, so our isolation chamber set up. We have our HEPA air scrubber running inside, which is just cleaning, filtering the air, and then discharging it outside, so that creates our negative air pressure inside the space. You might be able to tell that the poly, the actual containment, is getting sucked in. That's because of the negative air pressure that we're creating by this HEPA air scrubber. This is a church here in Delaware. It had an unknown leak that caused mold on not only the drywall in this hallway here, but then on the backside, which is a bathroom. So couldn't really figure out why. Came out, do the inspection, saw that there was visible mold growth. So obviously before we do anything, we have to build our containment, set up negative air pressure, then we can actually start to look and see what's going on. So we'll take a look inside, show you guys what we found, both in this hallway and then in the bathroom. And then we'll talk about what we're gonna do to complete the remediation. So, go inside of our containment here. You can see our HEPA air scrubber running. So right here they had a thermostat up on the wall, just like normal. They had an HVAC contractor come out to do maintenance on the unit or maintenance on the thermostat. He took the thermostat down, noted that there was mold growth on the wall, and immediately said, nope, I'm not touching anything. You have to have the mold remediation done before I can fix the thermostat, put the thermostat back on the wall, whatever he was going to do. So kudos to him. Good job on his part for not just covering it up, continuing on doing what he was doing. I really appreciate that. There's a lot of contractors that just don't take mold serious, so I'm definitely appreciative of him for doing that. It would only come back in another 6 months if he had just put this thermostat back 6 months from now with a continuing leak, which I'll show you guys in a second. It would just continue to grow, and then he'd be back taking the thermostat right back off so we could do the remediation anyway. So I do appreciate him doing that. So not only do we have visible mold growth here behind the thermostat on the drywall, I took some ceiling tiles down just to see what was going on. I don't know if you're going to be able to make it out. If you look right there, we can see sunlight. So right here. So all of these pipes, we have, you're going to have a hard time seeing what's going on. Anyway, there's a bunch of water lines and pipes that go outside, and there's a big gap between where the pipes go outside and the wall. So this isn't, man, it's really hard doing this backwards. Right here where this sunlight is, it's really a big gap between where the pipes go outside through the wall. It's not sealed at all. So rainwater, wind-driven rain, when the rainwater comes down, hits the side of the wall, it's actually coming in, running down. On all of these beams, we can see mold growth and water damage on this beam, this beam, right here, this beam. So there's been a significant amount of water coming in. So now that we've identified the issue, we can do our remediation just like we were gonna do, and we'll also go up on the roof. We'll apply a clear silicone caulk around those pipes that are going through the exterior wall, so that water doesn't continue to come in, and then we can eliminate future mold growth issues. So just real quickly, you can see on our containment wall, we have our caution tape set up, our warning signage, hazardous material decon, only enter if you're wearing proper PPE, things like that. All the same stuff that we have to have on our warning signage. So here inside the bathroom, this is the back side of the wall that we were just looking at. Same thing, we see visible water staining. We also took the ceiling tiles down from here as we were looking for the leak. You really can't see much on this side other than some ductwork. But this is the roof over here that the air conditioning units are sitting on, that those pipes are going through the exterior wall. So We'll have to cut this drywall out as well. We're going to leave these tiles in place because we're going to take the drywall off from the outside, that hallway side. We'll take the drywall out there so we can get to the back side of these tiles and the mortar, so we don't have to worry about taking the tiles down. We're just going to take this drywall off. Like I said, fix the actual leak. We'll replace all the drywall, spackle, sand, and paint so it's like it never happened. The leak's fixed, drywall's repaired. The church people can go back to having their normal services and have kids and everybody else in just like normal. So I think that's about it. I'll do another video once we get everything done, show you guys what everything looks like once it's completed. So as always, I appreciate everybody watching. Thank you all for your time. If anybody wants to see any other indoor air quality videos, definitely let me know. Put it down in the comments. I read all the comments, and I'll definitely do videos for you if you guys want to see something specific. So again, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.